Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Power BI in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Power BI and here we will be having the desktop link. Just click it. So here we are having two options, one is download now and advanced download options. I will just go with advanced one because it gives us so much flexibility in the installation process. So I'll just click here. And here if you scroll down we can just select the language. If you want you can choose anything over here and just click on download. The download will be getting started. It is around 839 MB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once it is downloaded, just open it and we'll be getting the Power BI setup. Select the language of your choice, click on next and click on next. Accept the agreement, next. This is going to be the default path where it's going to get installed. See program files. If you have very less space in local disk C, just click on change and go to a different disk. And here I will just create a new folder. Let me name it as Power BI and just select that folder. OK. Now the path has been changed. Select next and this is fine. Click on install. That's it, the installation has been done. We also will be getting a shortcut over here and simply check this launch and click on finish. We'll be getting the Power BI interface and you can start using it. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.